Hello students. So now I'll be discussing y'all about this problem. So the name of the problem is, as you can see in the question, Sun Club Dharwad. Yes, it was started in 1/4/2017. So what is given here now? Receipts and payment account is given for the year 31/3/2018 is given. Okay? And the adjustment is given. And they have asked you to prepare here income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. But what difference do you see, students, in this problem? What is missing here? Anybody can recognize? Yes, the opening balance sheet is not given. Isn't it? Like the previous problem, opening balance sheet is missing. When opening balance sheet is missing, what we do, I have solved two problems on that. You prepare the opening balance sheet. You prepare the opening balance sheet on what basis? See, this year is 2018. So 2017 information mele opening balance sheet will prepare. So 2017 information mele balance sheet we will prepare. Is there 2017 information given here? Simple alli 2017 year ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ mention ಆಗಿದೆ, only year see. Anywhere else 2017 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? Anything 2017 you can find anywhere? Not, right? That means your opening balance sheet you don't have to prepare. That one step you have to skip. Okay, this problem is little different. It is important. So first step we will prepare, as it is told, income and expenditure account. So first step I've always told, write this Sun Club Dharwad, the name of the company. Write it. See, I've written Sun Club Dharwad. Then what you do, students? You will write income and expenditure account. Yes, for the year ending 31st March 2018. Yes, that year. Then you will write here debtor and you will write here CR credit. Then you write here expenditure amount rupees, income amount rupees. Fine. I've always told your students to write the expenditure. You have to see your payments. I will repeat it once again. Expenditure annu bariyalu yavattu payments annu compare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To write the expenditure, you will see your payments. So let's see payments alli ಏನಿದೆ. First one, salary 26,500. Isn't it? So salary ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ in the question? Salaries here. Outstanding salary rupees 2,000. I have told you all, adjustment alli outstanding kottidre you have to add it. I will repeat it once again. Adjustment alli outstanding kottidre you will add that amount. Yes, see how I'm writing? To salary 26,500. Yes, it is this amount. Add outstanding salary. ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Add this. So when you add, you will get 28,800. Fine. Salary, what did I do? Directly amount I wrote. Outstanding salary I have added. It will give you 28,800. Fine. Okay. Now see the question. What is there next? Tournament expense. Remember, students, tournament is a capital item. Yes, capital item. So it will be taken in the balance sheet. Yes, tournament expenses you will add in the balance sheet. It will not come here. Fine. Okay. Next one, what it says, see, telephone charges. It's a revenue item. Telephone charges you pay monthly, right? Or maybe once in 2 months. Telephone charges. ಈಗ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಇದೆ? ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Telephone charges 6,500. Fine. Okay. So now see the again payments. Telephone charges is done. Next ಏನಿದೆ? Games expense 10,000. ಈಗ games expense ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? Games expense here? No. Here there is games fees. It is, students. Games fees is different. Yes. Games expense is different. So games expense, it's an expenditure, isn't it? The word itself, it's an expenditure. Fees andre it is the amount you have received. So expenditure alli barudilla. So games ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ amount directly write here 10,000. Fine. Yes. So next one, what it says, Sports material 20,000. Sports material is a capital item. Okay, we will not write it here. Plus sports material depreciation kuda ide, that I will tell next. Okay, yes. Now next is building. Next is furniture. Tell me students, building and furniture, what it is? Yes, it's a asset. It will come in the balance sheet. Assets. It's a fixed asset. Building furniture expenditure alli barudilla. It will come in the balance sheet. Yes. Next one enide, office expense 10,000. Office expense will come here. But before that check adjustment alli enadru ideya? Office expense ide? No. Office expense ide? No. So ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವುದು. ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ 10,000. ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ, yes, it's a balance sheet. It's a asset. It will come in the balance sheet. Then this amount carried down is, balance carried down will be the cash at bank. Cash in hand it is. So it will not come. So now we have covered all these items. Now next students, see, check depreciation anta word ideya, check ಮಾಡಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Depreciation word is there? Yes. Depreciate building and furniture 10% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Plus there is one sentence student here. Sports material on 31/3/2018 was valued at 8,500. Yes, that means ಈ sports material 20,000 ittu. Yes, this is now valued at 8,500. See, it was at 20,000. Now it has come down 8,500 valued. ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That means, see, value has come down or it has become more? It has come less, right? 20,000 in the 8,500 agide. The value has come less. Please don't get confuse it with sold. It is not sold. Sold anta elli word illa. It is value andre value ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So depreciation ಮಾಡಿ value ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you should do the depreciation. How to do depreciation student? I will show you. Right? To depreciation anta heading ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then sports material you write. Yes, sports material, what was the old value? 20,000. I'm writing here, see. 20,000 minus this amount valued 8,500. So when you minus, you will get, check it, 11,500. Use your calculator. Fine. I will tell once again, sports material was this much, 20,000. Value agide 8,500. The value has come down, students. So it is the depreciated value adu. Andre ishtittu, ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ depreciation ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. How much depreciation? When you minus, you will get the depreciation amount. Okay. Now next depreciation they have told, depreciate building and furniture by 10%. This is easy. So next I will write here. Building. Building amount in this here 2 lakh, isn't it? So 2 lakh you write into 10% students. So that will give you, yes, 20,000, isn't it? Next furniture ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Furniture amount is 30,000. See, furniture amount is 30,000. So I'm writing here, see here, 30,000 into 10 upon 100. It will give you, calculate ಮಾಡಿ 3,000. Fine? Yes. So now your expenditure is done. All the items I have done and depreciation you have to do. Only you be careful with this sports material. When they give valued at or valued to anta kottidre kuda, you have to minus the both the amount and write. Valued at ಮತ್ತು ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ valued to ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Fine. So now expenditure is done. So what is remaining now? Yes, you have to write your income. Yes students, to write the income you have to write your receipts. Yes, income ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಲು receipts ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So this receipts will see. What is given here? To subscription, isn't it? Subscription 70,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I'm writing here, see. Yes, by subscription inner column ಅಲ್ಲಿ 70,000. Fine? Yes. Subscription ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ information ಇದೆಯಾ? Check it. Check your question. See, yes. Outstanding subscription 5000. I have told you students, outstanding anta word idre adjustment alli you will add it. I will repeat once again. Outstanding subscription, outstanding salary, you will add it. Ekendre that is a subscription, you have to receive it by the end of the year. You will receive in the future, so you will add it. Next year is okay. Let me add it. So outstanding subscription. Next year helidare subscription received in advance. Yes, subscription received in advance 3000. Yavattu received in advance andre it is of the year 2019. That you have to deduct it. Namge iga bekirudu only 2018 idu. So received in advance always you have to deduct, you have to less. So deducting I will do first. See here, less subscription received in advance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3000 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ 67000 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ 5000 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 5000 it will give you, see please use your calculator, both item add, it will give you 72000. Fine. Okay. Now see students, what is there? Subscription is done. Interest 11000. We have to write here. Any other information is there? Interest illi? Illa. So I am writing here by interest 11000 directly. Fine? Yes. Now next see students, anything else is there? Tournament fund. I have told you tournament fund is a capital item. It will come in liability. I will show it in balance sheet. It won't come here. Please write this note. Next is games fees. Yes, it is a fees you have received. Yes, so please write here by games fees amount enide 25000. Okay, now next one see enide life membership fees. Where it will come life membership fees? I have told you all in my previous video. Life membership fees, it will come in the balance sheet capital fund. It won't come here. Donation, it will come in the balance sheet capital fund. It won't come here. Entrance fees, is there any adjustment told capitalize ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. In the adjustment, if there is no information about the donation and entrance fees, you will not take it here. You will take all the information in the balance sheet liability side. I will tell this once again. Life membership fees, donation, entrance fees will always come in the balance sheet. But you have to check the adjustment. Adjustmental, see, they have given the word. Yes, here. Donation and entrance fees are capitalized. Capitalized andre you have to take directly in the balance sheet. Don't bring it here. Whenever the word capitalized come, it will come in the balance sheet. So next I will explain the balance sheet students.